Hey everyone! The occasion season is here, filled with weddings, festivals, and parties. We all want to look our best without constant salon visits. Today, I'll show you a flawless, easy makeup look perfect for any event. Great makeup starts with skin prep. Begin with clean, moisturized skin. Use a gentle cleanser, then a hydrating moisturizer. If it's a daytime event, apply SPF. Finish with a primer for smooth application. For a flawless base, choose a medium coverage foundation for a natural, radiant finish. Use a damp beauty sponge for an airbrushed look. Conceal under-eye circles and blemishes with a lighter concealer. Add dimension with contour and highlight. Lightly contour under cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Highlight cheekbones, nose bridge, and Cupid's bow with a cream highlighter for a dewy glow. Create a soft glam eye look. Apply a neutral matte shade, define the crease with a darker shade, and add shimmer to the lid. Finish with subtle eyeliner and mascara. Brows frame the face. Lightly fill sparse areas with a brow pencil or powder. Set with clear brow gel. Add blush for a healthy glow. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and apply to the apples of your cheeks. Finish with a bold lip color. Line lips, fill with long-lasting lipstick, and blot with tissue to set the color. And there you have it. A gorgeous, occasional makeup look you can do at home. Lock it in with setting spray. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.